You guys 2-1-1 here.
Don't be rude.
Are you seriously going to Nightfall? But we're still outside the ship. Nightfall, let's do this.
Sweetheart, is the space demon still...
You have to buy these.
Those boots.
Babe, you could be inhaling toxic metals into your lungs. So how scary that is. Nothing is as scary as the facts. They can deliver toxic metals like nickel and lead into your lungs.
Those boots is too. The hell? What is this? What is this? That's good. This makes no sense. Oh my god!
There's a huge rock right there.
Oh my god!
Someone else can help themselves.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. It's a bird, but it's so dog. But it's so white, and it's so dark.
See now about fucking wait, Joseph.
So. We're just eating, I think.
Oh yeah.
Zora make it down. I think about
Oh,
it.
you wanna be my shirt again?
Oh my god. This
It's retrieving.
Yo, Akaji. From Boston.
Sam Adams' new wicket. White? Amazing. Perfect for a game like that. Dude, you gonna pay for this?
Yeah.
Sam Adams' new wicket easy.
It's Griffin and Lois Souther. If you guys don't know Family Guy, then I'm sorry, okay? Probably didn't watch it before. Okay, sorry. Oh my god. 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 What am I watching? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. And those boots. Oh my god!
He's all happy.
Yo! Yo!
Is that like the first episode? No. No.
Oh my god.
It's season 10, episode 12. What the fuck?
Duh.
What I do?
Sorry about that, guys. They're always cussing for no reason, so sorry about that.
I'm sorry.
If you don't care, then okay.
She gonna be tired.
Keep falling, keep falling down. No, no.
Come sit over here. Now I have to watch a 30-second ad.
April 23. I don't care.
Or something known as normal combat.
I'd be Scorpion for more games.
Combat in theaters and HBO Max April 25th.
There's a fuzzy bunny rabbit on the train. There's a fuzzy bunny rabbit on the train. And he's wiggling his nose and his little bunny toes. There's a fuzzy bunny rabbit on the train. Okay, what else we got on that train?
Kevin Smith, because he's too fat to ride a plane.
Oh.
Her kitty cat. Oh, there's the kitty cat riding on the train.
Come on, you know, I don't know why this guy's wife isn't here washing this tub. If I were her, I'd be there every show.
There's the kitty cat riding on the train. Thanks, everybody. See you next week.
Yeah, I've been catching these library shows since there were only like 3 or 4 kids here. You should have been here, man. Those were the shows.
Oh, looks like somebody made a friend. I know. Are they cute together? Adorable. I'm Lois. Hi, I'm Hope. Any relation to Bob Hope? I'm kidding. I'm kind of known for having a twisted sense of humor.
Oh, don't worry. I watched Regis and Kelly.
I'ma try to react to some videos.
Hello.
This is my husband, Ben.
Hi, glad to know you.
Gosh, you know, Artie and Scotty seem to be having such a good time.
Yada 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 yada.
I'm getting them together for a play date.
Oh, that sounds like a wonderful idea. Look at them. They're getting along like Billy Bob Thornton and his cat. Billy Bob?
Leave me alone, I'm taking a bath.
Ugh. Inappropriate.
That boy.
Damn, he has a lot of cool toys.
Labels, man. Autobots, Decepticons, gays, straight. Just pick a few robots and let's party.
Hey, what's going on in here?
Oh, hello, Brian. We're playing Transformers.
Oh, cool. Who's this little guy?
It's my new friend, Scotty. Do you mind? We're busy.
Oh,
Hi, Dobie. Do you want to play with us?
Scotty, it's fine. It's fine. You don't have to. He doesn't know Transformers. Yeah, actually, I'd love to play.
Oh my god.
Maybe one of these guys? I'll be this guy.
Damn.
Who's this guy, huh? What's this guy's story?
That's Optimus Prime. You can't be him. Scotty's Optimus Prime.
Oh, all right. I'll be this guy. How about this guy?
Growl? What robot growls? That's Starscream. He's a Decepticon.
Oh my
Decepticons.
god.
But why don't you just beat it?
All right, relax. I'll be this guy over here.
That's He-Man, the big Transformers.
Oh, maybe this is the one
You
where
can't
He-Man is.
fit.
Right. How is He-Man supposed to get to Cybertron?
Hey, up and away, right?
He-Man doesn't fly.
Look, why are you being such a dick about this? I'm just trying to join in.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about, okay?
That's not fair. I think I'm doing pretty well.
You don't know the characters, Brian. You don't know the characters. If you can hear yourself right now, you would not stop showing up. You can't just put He-Man in Transformers world. Alright? He wouldn't be able to get to Cybertron because he lives in Eternia, and Eternia is in an entirely different dimension.
You can just take his rocket ship.
Get out of here.
We now return to the post-Roe versus Wade Brady Bunch.
Greg, Marsha, get down here. Ah, you two are such a handful. Oh, I'm getting some steam. Picking up steam here, Scotty. You better look out.
I don't feel so well.
Kind of
now, Fry.
Peter, he's not moving. We gotta get him to the hospital.
You got it, Lois. Peter-ing!
The Petering. Oh,
Just for the record, I was at the hospital for a brief moment.
Boba.
Mrs. Griffin, it's a good thing you brought this child in.
Why? Is he okay?
I'm afraid he's very sick. In fact, his lab work shows he's suffering from Hodgkin's lymphoma.
Oh my God. Are you saying Scotty has cancer?
I don't know, I didn't read the whole Wikipedia entry. The good news is that what he has is highly treatable, with radiation first and, if necessary, chemotherapy.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Do you have any
Still-
idea how expensive medical school is?
No,
To,
I don't.
to
It's probably pretty expensive.
Lois, we came as soon as we got your call.
Oh, Ben, I'm so sorry to
Come on.
have to tell you this, but
You can watch this on the subscribe for new videos.
you
Take
do.
a mo.
Yes, we're aware of his condition, but you shouldn't have brought him to the hospital without talking to us first.
Why wouldn't we bring him? He was unconscious. He clearly needed treatment.
Oh, no, he doesn't receive treatment.
What?
We're Christian scientists. We don't accept medical care for ourselves, and we don't permit it for our children.
But your son has cancer.
Wait a minute, Christian Science. Is that thing all them gay-bo Hollywood actors do to keep their stuff away from other guys' butts?
Don't you understand? Scotty needs help.
And he'll get it through faith.
That's right. We will heal him with the power of prayer.
You can't just let them walk out of here.
Oh, I think they'll be back.
Are those their keys?
Oh, they're my keys.
Bye.